I'm going to show you how to make gluten-free pumpkin bread. And what you'll need is some gluten-free flour. I'm using almond flour. 1 cup of canned pumpkin. Some sugar. Some eggs. Some baking vanilla. And some brown sugar, and pumpkin pie spice, some baking soda, and baking powder. And the first step that we do is we need to measure out 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, which is known as granulated sugar. And after that's measured out, it should look like that. And when you measure things out in the measuring cup, you want it to be as flat as possible, so in the measurements are a little bit more accurate. And then we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And when it comes to using these things, which is called a measuring spoon, you want you also want it to be as flat as possible, so it's a little bit more accurate. And then you need 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And then when it was measuring brown sugar, you want to pack it down. Okay, and after 1/2 cup is in there, it should look like that. Then put that in. And then you add 1.5 cups of gluten-free flour. I'm going to be using almond flour. Oh my. Okay. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon is next. Yeah, and you also need 1 teaspoon of this stuff. Then 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. And we need 1 tablespoon of this pumpkin pie spice. Oh, great. Made a little bit of a mess right here, but oh well. Always that. Alright, then we mix that together. And then when you mix the stuff together, you don't want it to have any clumps. If it's a little clumpy, then that's okay. And with this stuff, it's important that you get it mixed up as good as you can. Add the pumpkin. Right, and then we mix that together. And after all that is mixed up together, it should look something like that. It's ready to add 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, or you can use canola oil too. And should look something like that. And add that. And then we need to add 3 eggs. And then if you're questioning on how to crack these eggs open without spilling it onto the table, a trick that you can do is you can like tap it on the side of the bowl so it cracks a little bit like that. And then you open the shell and then you put the egg into the bowl. And then it should be a little crack like that. And then for the 3rd egg, eggshell for Luna. Okay, and then we need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And if you are using a Watkins brand, it's okay if you add in 1 teaspoon instead of 2. Okay, and I put that in. And then we mix it together. And then when the ingredients are all mixed together, it should look something like. And then when you go to put the dough into bread pans, the oven should be heated up at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. But first, we're going to spray the pans with cooking spray, so that way when it comes out of the oven, it won't stick. Okay. And we're going to add that. After the pumpkin bread is all done baking in the oven and cooled off, it should look something like that.